Namaskar, I'm Nidhi Kumar, and you're watching Science Time, a show that brings to you the best that science offers, from exciting developments in science and technology to futuristic solutions. Intelligent system and health monitoring solution for EVs can ensure their efficient performance. Artemis 1, NASA cancels moon mission launch over engine problem, and drinking tea may be linked to lower risk of death, study suggests. Let's begin with story number one. A new complete vehicle intelligence system and health monitoring solution for electric vehicles can ensure safe and high EV performance, which will occupy a major part of the next generation transportation system. The system can help in estimating the accurate state of health and state of charge of the battery pack, help fleet operators in their control, and facilitate seamless communication. The unavailability of such vehicle intelligent modules for different components of EV serves as a roadblock in their efficiency. And Delhi-based VEC Mocon Technologies developed the vehicle intelligence system with critical battery data collection and monitoring, such as cell voltages, temperature, and the battery's current health. VEC incubated at FITT and IIT Delhi, with seat support from the Department of Science and Technology, also provides solutions for intelligent vehicles, including keyless entry, preventive and predictive maintenance, user adaptive algorithms, remote diagnostics, fleet management, and so on. It can cater to the entire ecosystem of EVs, such as motor power controllers, battery management systems, vehicle intelligence modules, cloud connectivity, etc., with specialized components for high-performance vehicles. The patented technology at technology readiness level 9 costs around 20 to 22K for the entire kit: battery management system, 4 to 5K vehicle intelligence module, and 6 to 8K fast chargers, 4 to 5K instrument clusters, 2 to 3K motor controller, and 4 to 5K is being used by more than 15 EV manufacturers as well as original equipment manufacturers. And with this, let's take you to story number 2. Well, NASA is delaying a decision on the timing of its next launch attempt for Artemis 1, the US Space Agency's first human-rated moon rocket, in 50 years, after calling off Monday's scheduled liftoff late in the countdown because of an issue related to engine bleed. Engineers at NASA's launch complex in Cape Canaveral, Florida, discovered the problem with one of the 4 core stage engines of the Space Launch System (SLS) rocket during the overloading of 730,000 gallons of liquid hydrogen and oxygen fuel needed to send the spacecraft off on its 1.3 mile 42-day journey to the far side of the moon and back. If Artemis 1 ultimately succeeds, astronauts will be on board an interim test flight along with the same route 40,000 miles beyond the moon and back, a trek scheduled for 2024. And now let's take you to the next story, story number 3. A study has suggested that having a brew could be associated with a low risk of mortality. When compared with those people who do not have tea, people who have consumed 2 to more cups each day had between a 9% and a 13% lower risk of mortality, researchers said. The findings published in the Annals of Internal Medicine suggested the result was the same regardless of whether the person added milk or sugar to their tea or what was their preferred temperature. The results were also the same regardless of genetic variants affecting the rate at which people metabolize caffeine. And researchers from the National Institutes of Health used data from the UK Biobank, in which 85% of the 500,000 men and women aged 40 to 69 reported that they regularly drank tea. Of those, 89% said they drank the black variety. The study was conducted with a questionnaire answered from 2006 to 2010 and followed up with for more than a decade. Fernando Rodriguez Artalezo, a professor of preventive medicine and public health at the Autonomous University of Madrid, described the research as representing a substantial advance in the field. And with this, we come to an end of this edition of Science Time. We'll be back with more exciting stories from the world of science next week. Until then, stay tuned to India Science. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.